Welcome to my channel. My name is London, and today we're going to be trying out a new skincare brand to Sephora. This is called the OUTSET skincare. This is Scarlett Johansson's skincare line, although I'm not entirely sure how much involvement she has with the skincare line. And to be honest, I actually was not going to pick up this skincare brand. It's been out for a while. I've been testing it out. I was kind of skeptical because a lot of people had kind of different opinions on the brand. So I wanted to give you guys my 2 cents. I have not been uploading very frequently. If you guys don't know, I am a cosmetologist and I am a professional makeup artist. So I have been doing a lot more makeup artistry on other people, and I've been testing this skincare line out on various different ages and skin types and all of that stuff, as well as myself. We're gonna dissect everything. So this little skincare set comes with 3 products. They have a gentle micellar antioxidant cleanser, and then they have a firming vegan collagen prep serum, a nourishing squalene daily moisturizer. So these 3 are in a starter set for $50. The full-size cleanser is $32. The full-size serum is $46, and the moisturizer is $44. So in comparison to other skincare brands that I feel are a bit similar in texture and everything, I do think price point wise it's pretty good. So I'm just gonna start. I have like a little bowl of water and I'm gonna use this for you guys today because I'm gonna explain and use. So I'm just gonna wet my face. I haven't done my skincare yet today. So the cleanser is one of my favorites actually, and I don't know why, but some people have some mixed opinions on the cleanser. It is a gel consistency. It doesn't foam up a lot. I have combination skin. It does help to remove makeup. Like, I have done a few makeovers to where some people have come in with like a little bit of concealer or whatnot, and this is easily taken off like whatever makeup that they have had on. I don't find it to be like drying or irritating. I'm just all the way around like obsessed that this is like a super easy everyday cleanser. And it also, if you guys remember, I did do a video on Florence by Mills, and I did not like the cleanser because I felt like it didn't froth up enough. And this is kind of like the cleanser that I wish Florence by Mills had. And of course I'm not by a sink. I'm trying to film everything. So we're just gonna do it this way today. But yeah, super easy to put on, remove. A little bit goes a very long way. You don't want to use too much of this cleanser. Oh, and the other thing is that this whole line is cruelty-free, fragrance-free, clean at Sephora, vegan, the whole 9 yards of everything. So I am definitely interested into getting a full size of this one. It's definitely up there with some of my favorite everyday cleansers, like the Drunk Elephant. I think it's called the Bestie 6 or 9. One of those. I'm dyslexic. And then like the Soy Fresh cleanser. Like, both of those are like really good everyday cleansers for me, and this one is getting up there to be a really nice everyday cleanser. So the serum, I'm gonna go in with this one next. I'm a little partial with the serum. I do think the serum is almost like an essence, to where it really helps to the moisturizer to absorb better into the skin. But then I also have like the Laneige cream skin that I love and I'm obsessed with, and it kind of does the same thing. Apparently this does have vegan collagen in it, so it helps to plump up the skin, and it also helps to brighten and reduce dark spots, which I haven't used it long enough to determine if that helps. Also, all of the products are non-comedogenic. I can never say that word, but it basically doesn't clog your pores. But yeah, it's just like a really nice everyday hydrating serum. I'm so used to using active ingredients that I'm just kind of like, it's nice. I have other things that pretty much do the same thing, but I'm also a type of person that likes to use like everything within a brand, so I am partial to it in that way. But now we have the Nourishing Squalane Daily Moisturizer. Love this. I am obsessed with this. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. Let me tell you why. This is such a lovely moisturizer. It has a very, 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 very similar consistency as the Drunk Elephant Protini moisturizer, which is one of my favorite moisturizers, but it's literally half of the cost. So super obsessed with that. It also helps to moisturize your skin for up to like 24 hours, and it repairs your moisture barrier, which I am obsessed with. I really feel like repairing my moisturizer has been really helping my breakouts, because I am one that if I get a breakout, I'm like, let's throw all of the acid on my face, and I need to stop doing that. But this moisturizer, it feels so heavenly, and it goes great underneath makeup to where like it sits, it smooths out the skin. Y'all know I love priming moisturizers, and this is also a good moisturizer that I can use underneath foundations. This moisturizer also does like pretty much the same thing as a serum, just like a little bit more hydrating in my opinion, but it also helps to brighten the skin as well. But yeah, I love the glow. It's not too much of a glow for your skin, but I've been loving this skincare line for like every skin type that I've been doing makeup on, and just having like a nice clean hydrated base before doing any kind of makeup. I've been obsessed with it. It's vegan, clean, so pretty much anybody can use it. It has like an alternative to vitamin C and vegan collagen, which I know some people get irritations to vitamin C, so this is always a good step. Although I know one of the products, I believe it's the serum, has some sort of form of benzoyl peroxide, because I do know my friend has an allergic reaction to the serum because she is very sensitive to benzoyl peroxide, and this has some kind of benzoyl peroxide in it. So just to let you guys know. But overall, definitely the cleanser and the moisturizer I'm super obsessed with. This is definitely a dupe, if I do say so myself, to the Drunk Elephant Protini moisturizer. So if you love the Protini, but you can't spend like $70 or however much the Drunk Elephant Protini moisturizer is, this one is definitely a little bit more of an affordable alternative that pretty much does the same thing. And then the cleanser, I'm always looking for cleansers. As you guys know, through all my skincare reviews, I run through cleansers so much. The serum I could live without, but I do like it in the conjunction of the skincare line. And then they also have, I believe, a nighttime cream moisturizer. And then they also have a eye cream, and I really want to try the eye cream out, though I'm still trying to do an empties with some of my skincare. I'm working towards a bunch of my skincare to empty it out. So the Caffeine Ingulus eye cream, love this one, but I'm not going to be pulling any other eye creams into my life until I finish this one. But it is like, I only have like a third of this left, so it's getting there. I love it though. But yeah, that is it for this little OUTSET review. Let me know if you've tried it. Let me know what you think about it. But that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.